What's the meaning of attributive? Attributive. Attributive.
Attributive. Attributive. Attributive is an adjective used to describe a word or phrase that modifies or describes another word in a sentence. In grammar, an attributive can be either a noun, an adjective, or a pronoun. It is positioned before the noun it modifies and plays a crucial role in conveying specific details about the noun to the reader or listener. Without attributives, sentences would be simple and lacking in depth and detail. Overall, attributives add complexity and nuance to language, providing a richer and more precise means of communication.